Okay, now we're ready to pop this button off. Let's see if you've got a good view of this. I think you do. First thing is to take the tape and put some around the button because it's going to fly when it comes off. So I just do that and that. Come here. Okay. And then I put the needle pliers here, like this, and come here and gently tape these together. Okay. And I'm going to come and lay this like this, and this like this, and that's it. So here's my button. Come up a little bit for you here. So I can grab the... Well, anyway, here's the slide, see? With the tab ready to be reworked. And my button's in here, which I don't need anymore. So there's the button. Let me take this white tape off the pliers. Put tools back, and we're ready to make that ERGO button now.